card.
Yep. So that's your chips. Those.
And this is the
$4?
chips
That's
that
all.
we all win if.
So I'm Ho Hin and Blake.
Blake and Ty are both all in. Whoever wins all these chips.
All right. Okay, next.
That's gonna be Billy.
Okay.
Okay, mommy's one. I'm still got it.
Currently, Ty's winning with a jack high. Blake has an 8 high. If Blake hits a 2 or an 8, he will win. Okay? Okay, stop. Mummy's still ahead with a jack high. One more card to go. If it's a 2 or an 8, Blake wins. If it's not, Mummy wins.
Blake's looking.
Mummy wins. All right.